I'm sure you've heard the news. Rice Krispie treats are taking over the world, one sweet tooth at a time. Let's dive into why they're so irresistible. So, what's the secret behind these tasty little squares? It's simple. Start with crispy rice cereal, but here's the magic touch. Melted marshmallows and a hint of butter. Stir them together, and bam! You've got a sticky, sweet symphony of flavors and textures. But wait, there's more. Rice Krispie treats are a blank canvas. Add chocolate chips, sprinkle some rainbow candies, or drizzle with caramel. The possibilities are endless. Whether you're making them for a party, a snack, or just because you're craving something awesome, Rice Krispie treats hit the spot every time. So next time you're in the mood for something fun and delicious, remember the secret's out. Rice Krispie treats, crunchy, gooey, and oh so tasty. Happy snacking, everyone!